over until my will runs dry. Deny your sins, I don't me back.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am making some turkey burgers on a lettuce wrap, and I'm gonna just tell y'all right now, like, this was an epic fail, complete epic fail. Y'all gonna see. But anyway, so I just went ahead and grabbed some ground turkey, and here you see me just cutting it up, and I'm going to mix it all together. It was still kind of frozen, so I just got up those chunks.
That shit I was kicking to you, had some fun on the run, though I'll give it to you, but baby, don't hit it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list, trying to fix it.
So let me just say this: when seasoning ground turkey, you want to make sure that you season it very well without having too much sodium in it. So I like to go in with some garlic and herbs, salt free, a little bit of onion powder. I do put garlic powder in there, but don't know where it was. But like I said, those are really great seasonings to give your ground turkey a little bit of flavor. Today I was kind of in the mood to add a little bit of steak seasoning to it, so I went ahead and added that. Not too much, just a little bit. After I added my egg, I added a little bit more seasoning because, like I just said, y'all, ground turkey be real bland, like real bland. So I added just a couple more sprinkles, and I'm gonna give it one more mix. Okay, look, y'all, I don't know what happened, what was going on this day, but my burger just didn't want to turn into a burger. I didn't know what was happening. I've made this so many times before, so it was really blowing me that it wasn't turning into a burger.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so fed in love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for?
Okay, y'all, so even though that turkey was blowing me, I still said I'm going to finish strong and make the best of it because it's still going to be good. It was smelling good, so I said I'm still going to try and make this into the best turkey burger I could possibly make. It was still a very, 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 very good. I definitely do recommend. Look how it looks. It's okay though. that is it, guys. I hope you really like this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my